Here's how to create a free shipping coupon in WooCommerce. Quick to set up and a smart way to get customers checking out with bigger orders. First, go to WooCommerce settings, where you'll click on the shipping tab. Look for your shipping zones and hit edit on whatever zone you want this to work in. You'll need to add a zone name if there isn't one already. Then click add shipping method and pick free shipping from that dropdown. Pretty straightforward so far. Here's where it gets a bit more specific. When you click continue, you'll see the free shipping configuration screen pop up. The setting you care about is called free shipping requires, and you want to select a valid free shipping coupon from that menu. What this does is tell WooCommerce to only show free shipping as an option when someone actually types in your coupon code. Now you need to actually build that coupon, which happens in a completely different area. Go to marketing, then coupons, and click add coupon. The first thing you'll type is your actual coupon code, something like ShipFree. It works because people can remember it without writing it down. This part threw me off the first time I did it. You can completely ignore the discount type and coupon amount fields. Since this coupon only handles shipping costs, those fields don't matter. What you do need to check is that allow free shipping box in the coupon data section. That's what actually connects everything you just set up. Most store owners want to protect their margins with this kind of promotion, which is why the usage restriction tab exists. You can set a minimum spend amount that customers have to hit before the free shipping kicks in. It's a simple way to make sure you're not losing money on tiny orders while still giving people that shipping incentive they want. The usage limit section lets you control how crazy this promotion can get. You can set total redemptions across all customers, or limit how many times individual customers can use the same code. Both options keep things from getting out of hand if your coupon goes viral or something. Once you hit publish, your coupon goes live and starts removing shipping costs for orders that meet whatever conditions you set up.